Oh my goodness. Do you want more ketchup?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mehak and we are going to do something very fun and interesting today and also very weird and gross. So we have decided to taste all the weirdest food combos ever and I am going to ruin my taste buds.
And us too.
So I'll introduce you to my friends because I thought why ruin my taste buds alone. So I called them over and this is Bhargavi.
Hi.
And this is Praju,
Hi.
Prajakta, and this is Avni. So let's get started. So our first combination is Parle G and chocolate syrup, and this was my bachpan ka weird combo. I always used to have this thing when I felt like I wanted dessert. So sasta dessert. Okay. So these people are going to like we are going to try and then we give a feedback. We don't give this one.
थोड़ा उधर जाना.
So we are going to try this one by one. You start first.
So personally, I don't think this would taste that bad because it's sweet. It's good.
Have it. No, you have to have it like that. You said it's good. She doesn't like sweet. Okay, so that's a challenge now. Have it. Have it, have it.
Why are you the last?
Because I'm the host. So मैं
How did man?
So our next combination is honey and popcorn. So मुझे ये personally नहीं पसंद because I hate honey. I don't like because you know बचपन में अदरक और शहद का taste बैठ गया तो I don't like honey anymore. So we'll start. I have made this salted popcorn without any haldi. So I'm adding the honey on the popcorn.
With the fork?
Yeah, because I did not get a spoon. So it looks gross.
No, it looks good.
Can you smell the honey? मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद honey की smell.
No, it looks like caramel popcorn.
Caramel is
In fact, ये weird combination तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
actually okay. It's just weird for me because I don't like it. So they are going to finish this because they like it or they claim to like it. Okay. Okay, khao now. Let's do
Okay.
it. Bad.
No, it's not bad.
No, it's
It's bad.
it's bad.
No, it's not bad.
I don't like popcorn.
salty.
I can't finish it पूरा, but मैं खा
Salt
सकती
and
हूँ.
honey.
इतना भी बुरा नहीं.
It's no salt and honey is bad.
I'm done.
Okay.
Because I had to put salt because taste नहीं आता ना उसमें. Okay, like
I don't like-
edible. Like you guys need to wait for the last thing.
It's
The last combination is the worst. Like you know the thought of the last combination मैं सोच रही थी ना सुबह से like how I'll eat that, so it just made me feel very cute. So I don't even have lunch. Ew.
I don't like popcorns because they have something that kadak something.
Yellowish.
Yellowish kadak.
I don't know why these guys are saying like this because you're all being so dramatic.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah,
Bad for me.
Not
yeah,
fun.
bad.
I don't like honey. I don't like popcorns. No for me.
Only Avni liked it. So the honey and popcorn बहुत बुरा था. So our next combination is banana and mustard sauce. That's going to be gross.
Yeah.
Let's see. So here's a banana. I'm not going to waste everything, so I'll cut it and then I'll add mustard sauce on that.
It's got one piece. Correct. Everything.
Okay, so you can add mustard sauce.
Come on.
I don't want a sandwich for that.
Why?
Sandwich.
This is like a topping.
You
Like
have to
a
be
sauce.
fast this time.
No.
Yes, yes.
Like
Make it
thanks.
fast.
Okay.
नहीं है.
Okay. So
That's enough. Hold on.
Bas.
Look at this.
Gives
Disgusting.
This is the most disgusting thing
Yeah.
I'm going to ever have.
you need to wait till the end. That's going to be like even disgusting. So
My dress is ruined by chocolate sauce.
here we go.
New dress.
Have it.
So you're
No,
going
you're
first.
Yeah, having it. You need to have it with me.
Okay. Okay, add 3.
Not
Okay,
one.
on 3.
Wait.
1,
2, 3.
I don't
Oh
have
my
any
God.
mustard in me.
Okay, this is.
This is the worst thing I've ever had.
Oh.
I can't even find it.
It's good.
Oh my. Good.
मैंने बिना mustard वाला खाया.
I don't enjoy human.
नहीं, अब मैं mustard
Have
वाला.
this one. Oh.
No, actually, it's not gross, like that gross.
It's gross.
It's disgusting. It's not
Fine.
gross.
Your piece.
No.
No.
I'm done.
No, you have to eat two. It's okay, it's not like it's edible. Like I
It's
would
not
not
it's-
edible.
It's not like something that you'll eat and puke.
You just did.
Yeah.
That was a
Your reaction was the worst.
Yes.
I can say it is.
It was a big cup.
I can't even buy it.
It's not good.
She ate without the mustard first.
They know that. मैंने उनको पहले दिखाया, देखो नहीं है. तब तुम सब लोग सो रहे थे.
Oh.
What the hell? क्या है ये? Bad.
It's bad.
Our taste buds are ruined.
It's really
I'm
getting
What is the
Yeah.
last one? I'm waiting for the last one.
So this was bad. ये मत खाओ कभी. Don't try.
No.
So what is the next one?
The next one is chips and chocolate sauce.
Yeah. Disgusting.
It actually doesn't sound bad.
Oh.
What
It
do
is
you
bad.
expect? Like something spicy
Spicy.
and something sweet.
And that too, this orange wala packet. Oh my god.
So-
पहले chocolate sauce चाट लेने का, फिर chips खाने का.
No.
So we'll see how this goes.
I'm used to eating the
Popcorn and honey. It's yum.
She actually likes it.
It's bad. No, it's not.
But the mustard one was definitely gross.
Yeah, of course.
So here we have Lay's and now we are drizzling with chocolate sauce.
It looks tasty, but of course it's not.
It actually.
Okay, so we are having this chocolate sauce on Lay's and this is going to be gross. Take
Yeah.
that.
Not good. Not bad either, but not good.
Not as bad as mustard and
What? इतना भी बुरा नहीं है, but not.
not as bad as.
Oh.
Okay, तो ज़्यादा it does not like mix like a lot. तो एक side में chocolate, एक side में spice, it's fine. So it's okay. Like obviously not
It tastes like
recommendable.
sabji.
Yeah.
Some kind of sabji.
Yo,
Yeah.
yeah, actually
Hello?
it does, it does.
With sabji.
I don't know.
Some-
But it does.
Like something Indian
Hmm.
and
Indo-Western.
No. Indian.
Indian and something.
Something.
Okay, so not recommendable. If you want to try, go ahead.
So since I love this combo of honey and popcorn so much that these people are trying
We
to ruin
decided
it.
Yeah.
to ruin it.
So we decided to add mustard sauce on it, and Avni has to have it.
Only.
Yeah.
Not only me.
It's only you.
It's
So-
only.
Okay, I'm not like adding a lot, so
Trust
No,
me,
I
you're
don't-
gonna
You
like
better
it.
not add.
No, add it on.
No.
this is going to be gross.
Of course.
She is going to puke after this.
You did that again.
We are all eyes on you.
Not.
This time, all eyes on you.
It's not good. Of course it's not good. What do you expect from me? यही reaction
नहीं.
मिलेगा.
But
How is it
you can
taste?
have it.
Yuck.
Sweet, sour,
Better than that.
I don't know.
mustard.
Banana and.
मेरे टेस्ट बर्ड सुसाइड कर चुके थे, मुझे पता नहीं क्या टेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा ये वाला अच्छा था या बनाना और मस्टर्ड?
हाँ.
Banana and mustard was much better.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Thank God we did have it.
This was a good idea by the way.
Yes.
So abhi we'll try
The most
the
disgusting
worst
thing.
of all, which I'm going to try last because my wish. Okay.
Yeah.
So the combination is rasgulla or rosgulla, whatever, with tomato ketchup. I can't imagine something more gross.
Because you for
You're
this.
the one who decided the
For doing
items.
this. Rasgulla
Yeah,
for
because
me.
it's like it's more challenging now.
You're going to ruin this for me.
Wait, wait, wait.
I love rasgulla.
As you guys can see, rasgulla with sauce. It's going to be very
It looks
gross.
like a sponge with paint on it.
I honestly don't like rasgulla anyway, so
I like
I
it.
like it.
You like rasgulla?
Yes. That's the only
Smell.
thing I like.
Only
It's sweet.
Only sweet. Ah, sorry.
seriously,
Yes.
go first then.
But not with koi ketchup.
Obviously.
You see.
Now let's see how much she loves rasgulla.
After eating this.
And
my God.
she's going to start eating it now.
My popcorn.
The thought of it makes me feel peevish.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my God.
It looks bad.
Mhm.
She gave the reaction even before putting it in the mouth.
I knew this was good.
Ew.
On the scale of 1 to 10, how bad is it?
10 out of 10.
Yuck.
Okay.
I am not looking.
I'm taking that पानी ज़्यादा रसगुल्ले का.
it tastes even worse.
Yeah. No.
I don't want.
No. That's disgusting.
Okay, I'll go first.
Yeah, you're taking the test one.
Okay, I'm taking it.
Okay. No, we need to go together.
Sip is okay.
On the count of
Two.
No, wait.
3, 2, 1, have. Oh, have.
Have it, you cheater.
Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
How are you able to
I
get
don't like
that?
rasgulla.
Okay, you have to have it because it's your meal.
And then drink that water.
You don't.
Yes. No.
No way, I'm not going to drink that.
Okay, we don't have a loser. Otherwise, we
yeah.
would have given it to the.
Yeah, loser is है क्योंकि अभी तो उसने खाया नहीं है.
नहीं, we don't have a loser because मैं खा रही हूँ.
Okay, now that's dramatic.
Like a
Oh my,
bad fast.
seriously.
Let's put
Eat
it out
it.
then.
Ah. Oh my goodness. Do you want more ketchup? First,
She's like, okay.
by the way, bathroom is that side. You can. Oh.
So after a lot of convincing, just finally agreed to eat Parle G and
Mustard.
That's
So-
going to be gross. Because no, थोड़ा सा डाल यार.
We should make a sandwich of
No,
that.
no,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, actually.
बस.
With a bit of.
I love you, Mehak.
What the hell? No.
No, actually with the sandwich it will taste a little
Yeah, a little better.
A bit of banana also.
No.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, okay, banana sandwich.
Give me another biscuit. Well.
So they are combining all the no, that not. So they are combining all the weird dishes in
Everything he had.
the Parle G.
Yeah.
Because
everything
this
is-
was her
Eat
idea.
that.
You have to eat the
The
whole
banana
thing.
is too big.
It's banana. She can eat.
Okay, I need to press this first. So I'll show you. This is what they are giving me.
This is probably the
Banana,
first thing.
mustard sauce,
In the entire
and honey popcorn stuffed inside Parle G.
All the best.
Mehak. Oh
What
my
the
God.
hell? He only ate a biscuit.
The most.
Okay, only eat half of it.
Come, you'll have half.
No.
Hey, I can't do this right.
Only half. Okay, 1/4. Come on. This side. 1/4.
Two-third.
Come on.
2/3. R.I.P. to Mehak's stomach.
Deja vu. Then you have to eat it again if you throw this.
You have to
Yeah.
swallow it.
It
Swallow.
does not.
swallow. Okay, that is disgusting.
Oh.
Nasty.
Oh. Take fast bites.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video.
And if you want us all to be in her video
More
again,
often.
more
Force
often,
her to be in our
again,
comments. In
do comment down
Yeah.
below
And like
and
this
give
video.
big thumbs up and turn on the post notifications.
And also, don't forget to share it with your friends or whatever.
And if you have any ideas, you can comment down below that
Yeah,
too.
please. Yeah.
We are well people, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
वापस bye.
हाँ.
Bye.
Bye.
तो मैं oh god. Bye.
Hello guys, welcome back
Not
to
to
our
my
channel.
channel. Today we are going to do a weird challenge in which we are. अरे ये भी कर सकती थी. Hi guys.